Hi everyone, today we're making an easy chicken and shrimp Alfredo. We have all our ingredients ready for this 30-minute meal. Let's get started. Welcome to my channel, Cooking with Bree 2K. I know all is well. May God bless us and bless his food that we are about to prepare. Chopping these peppers, then scrape them to the side. And we'll use this chicken and we'll keep it simple, no sauce today. The chicken pieces well under cold water. This removes any residue and makes it ready to cook. I'm just rinsing these off for our recipe. Now they're ready for the pan. Let's pat these shrimp dry. This helps them get a nice sear. Now they're ready. Just stir the shrimp until they turn pink. See? They're cooking perfectly. Is already in the pot. Now I'm adding the cooked vegetables, red peppers, yellow peppers, green peppers, broccoli, and onions, just adding them in. Let's add the chicken to the pasta. Now the shrimp and some broccoli. Stir it all together. Now I'll mix in these beautiful vegetables. Everything is coated in that creamy Alfredo sauce. Thanks for watching. The recipe link is down below. Like, comment, and subscribe. And this is so the shrimp and chicken down the counters. There we go. That recipe turned out amazing. I've always dreamed of having my own cookbook, standing in my kitchen, cooking my favorite meals. Now, I'll share my kitchen talents and skills with the world through social. Inspires you to make your dreams reality, like mine. Put one foot forth, head for greatness. Don't let one thing stop you. Keep pushing. If you have to do 10, one is gonna come out right. You live and you learn, and you keep pushing for greatness. Never looking back, but always pushing forward. Always keep one foot in front of the other, even when times are tough. You got new doors for yourself and put a smile on others' faces.
Keep it clean. A fresh start to your day. Simple steps for a healthier home. Stay germ-free every time.
Thanks for cooking with Bree 2K. Until we meet again, I'm signing off.